Welcome to the Luxx Nova Measurement Guide. Let us show you how to properly take your measurements. You will need measuring tape, long piece of cloth, tight-fitted clothes, and a friend to help you. Bust. The bust measurement is threefold: the upper bust, medium, and lower bust. The upper bust is measured at the most protruding part of your shoulder blades above the fullest part of your bust. Make sure the measure horizontally straight, so the tape grazes through your armpit. Medium bust. To get the medium bust measurement, simply measure your torso and bust horizontally at its fullest point. To measure your lower bust, simply wrap the measuring tape around your chest, directly under your bust. Take the piece of cloth and loosely tie it around the narrowest part of your torso, as demonstrated. Front corset. Measure over the center of the fullest part of your bust. Measure vertically down to the waist control line. This measurement is taken from the point where your shoulder meets your neck, right above the collarbone, over the center of the fullest part of your bust, down to the middle of the ribbon tied around your waist. Waist. Measure the narrowest part of your torso. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. To measure your waistline, simply measure around the cord you tied earlier on. It should be the narrowest part of your waist, at your natural waistline. Waist to floor. Be barefoot. Ask a friend to help you. Measure from the middle of the waist control ribbon, along either side of your body, to the floor. To make this measurement, measure along either side of your body, to the floor. From the middle waist control ribbon tied earlier. Height. Be barefoot. Stand straight and keep your feet together. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. To measure your height, stand up barefoot straight, with your back against the wall, with your heels touching the wall as well. Place a mark where the top of your head meets the wall, and measure the distance from that point to the floor. Hips. Keep your feet together. Measure the fullest point of your hips. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. Take the tape measure, and bring it around your hips. Measure around your hips, at the fullest part of your bottom. If unsure where the fullest part is, simply take multiple measurements, and record the maximum. Arm girth. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. Measure your arm's fullest part, at the upper part of your arm. Make sure your arm is relaxed, as you do so. Sleeve length. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. Measure from the point where your arm meets your shoulder to your wrist.